How to show or hide text messages on an Android lock screen. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can show or hide text messages on an Android lock screen. To do so, you will need to go and open the settings on your Android device first. You may also scroll down from the top of your screen and then at the top right you will be able to locate the gear icon. Simply tap on this gear icon and this will take you to the settings page. Now here you will need to look for the notification option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it. And now from here, you will need to select lock screen notification option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. And inside it here you will be able to see this show content option. At the right side of it you will be able to see the gear icon. Simply tap on the gear icon and now you will be taken to this page. From here you will need to choose the app that you would like to show the content or text message in the lock screen notification. You will need to toggle the button at the right side of that particular application in order to show the text messages on your lock screen. After doing that, it will be turned on. Now, if you want to hide text messages of a particular app on your lock screen, then from here, find the application that you would like to hide. And once you locate the application, simply tap on the toggle button at the right side to turn it off. Now, this will hide the text messages in lock screen for that particular application. Also note that the exact names of the options may be different depending on the Android version and the device. So by following these steps, you can easily manage whether text messages are displayed on your Android lock screen or not. So by following these steps, you should be able to show or hide text messages on an Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.